very educative. We learned so much. We learned things that we can live on, and I thank the organizers for organizing this program. It is very, 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 very good, and it is educative to us. Thank you so much. We appreciate everything. Thank you.
All right. Good afternoon to you all. My name is Veronica Ul-Adha from Abutia L Basic. I'm a teacher here, and today we are privileged to have our brothers and sisters among us. They give us a lot. They help us in learning, especially how to manage the time, how to take good care of the body, both boys and girls. And to crown it all, every pupil was given an exercise book, and the girls were given pads in addition. That is very good. It's a good initiative, and we appreciate it a lot. And we would like more of this to come, because the children are always with us. So sometimes we need new hands on deck, so that together we can build a better Ghana. Thank you.